Another thing that you can do with your fabric meditation books that I've been exploring and playing with lately is incorporating smoke, the healing, alchemizing, transformational energies of smoke is really appealing to me right now. So what I'm going to do is use some Palo Santo, which I have here. You can also do this with sage. This is a little sage bundle I made. I've also done this with you can do it with a campfire or a fire in a fireplace, and any of those will work. And we're going to play with how we can infuse the fibers of the book, not only with the scent of the smoke, which is really lovely, but is also impermanent. So it's, it's not going to stay forever, which is something I like to contemplate and feel into. And that's one of the wabi-sabi qualities that I love. But it also is a way to, if we set an intention for something, maybe there's something that we want to clear or cleanse within us or within our lives. Maybe there's something that we're working through in the moment that needs some healing. So we can invite that kind of intention when we do this energy clearing with the smoke, and it can have a really gentle healing impact, I find. So what I'm going to do is take a lighter, and of course we're working with fire, so just be careful. I've got a little bowl here that I use. I'm just going to light my Palo Santo. And while this is burning a little bit, I like to watch the fire and really feel into the powerful energy of the fire and as an element and as a sacred part of life. All those things can be brought into this experience. And I'm going to blow it out. I'm going to wave it around my book. And I find with the Palo Santo, sometimes I just have to light it again. If I don't let it burn for long enough at the beginning, or sometimes it just needs another round, depending on how long I want to use it. And once I'm done clearing or smudging it, then I just make sure that I tamp it out if there's any fire left in there. I love that sound. And then after I do this, I like to sit with the book for a few moments and hold it. And close my eyes. Whatever feels right to you. And I like to experience really breathing in the scent too of the Palo Santo or the sage or the campfire. Really allow the experience of breathing in the smoke and that scent to enter me too, while it's also infusing and entering into the fibers of the book, because then it's healing me as well. And it becomes a deep, meaningful, sensual, intimate experience that is really beautiful, I find. So you can play around with bringing smoke into your fabric meditation books and experiment and play and do whatever feels right for you in the moment. And I'd love to hear what you think if you try this.